let me talk about cold leads for a moment, because you're like, well, what about XYZ, right? Well, that's going to be really, really important. So, you're going to have to say no to some things, right? And so as these goes, you're either going to have to delegate these cold follow-ups to somebody else or push them off to another day. Or our system in our company is we send out our written offer to anybody who we speak to who we're not nurturing. Okay. Now this offer, you're like, Todd, what do I pay? What if it's too low? What if it's too high? What about this? No. Okay. This offer that we're going to send out, it's just a conversation piece. Okay. It's going to flush out some motivation. So you either want to email this or you want to mail it. And if you do this on a consistent basis to people on your cold database, it's going to flush out some motivation for these people. And for every 50 to 75 offers that you send out, and you can mark this. This is like gravity, by the way. For every 50 to 70 written offers that you send out to cold leads who you thought would never do business with you, you're going to get one back. You're going to get one back.
And right? these are people that you've talked to, or they've come into your funnel at some point. You haven't converted them. They haven't really been, they're not really responding to you, or maybe they're ghosting you a little bit. That's what you're talking about?
Yeah, they just didn't show motivation, but for some reason they said yes to that initial cold call. I might be interested in selling.
Yep.
Or they responded to a direct mail piece, or they responded to a text, right? Whatever it is, for some reason we didn't see it, or something changed, or the offer hit them on the right day, and that offer was a trigger.
If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, because we put out new videos every single day. And if you have a question that you want me to answer personally, join us live every Wednesday.